our book is the science factor of class 5, and let's start our today's lecture. And this is page number 7. I again repeat that this is page number 7. We have completed our first topic, so we can start our next. The nervous system has two main parts. As I can tell you that what is the nervous system. Nervous system is called over sense that you have to touch these things or not. Okay, and nervous system are the cells which convert the message towards the brain. The nervous system has two main parts: the central nervous system, okay, and the peripheral nervous system. Okay, nervous system have two parts: central nervous system, peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system is the brain and the spinal cord. Okay, what is the central nervous system? The central nervous system is the brain and the spinal cord. As we can see a bone in our back, and we can call it a spinal cord. Okay, spinal cord and brain is the central nervous system. The peripheral nervous system is all the nervous is throughout the body. Okay, nervous system work throughout the body. In complete over body, nervous system can work. Okay, so central nervous system contains only this spinal cord, the straight line, and the brain. And peripheral nervous system contains the whole nervous system cells in our body. The whole nervous system cells in our body, the nervous system cells which are present in our hand, in our arm, in our feet, in our legs. Okay, these all nervous system cells are called peripheral nervous system. Now look towards our brain. Cerebrum. Our brain has a cerebrum, and cerebrum have a 4 parts. Okay, one is frontal lobe, the second is parental lobe, the third is temporal lobe, and the fourth is occupational lobe, and the last is cerebellum. Cerebrum. Now the nervous system works this way. The nervous system reacts to something. It might be heat, light, sound, or anything other stimuli. Okay, they say that nervous system work to respond about the heat, cold, light. We know that this is right. Our nervous system works to tell us that this is a hot thing, the light is so sharp you cannot see towards that. This is the nervous system which tell us that don't look towards the sun. So they cannot explain the parts of the brain, so I can explain you not in detail. Frontal lobe is the front side, which frontal lobe present above our eyes, and this is called our temporary memory. The things which are temporary in our mind, as we can learn some lesson and we can forget that lesson after a 15 or a half an hour. So this lesson comes in frontal lobe. Parental lobe, or all over control all over movements. Temporal lobe, yes, it contains the things, the memories which are perfect and which are hard. Occupational lobe. Also this occupational lobe controls over senses. Cerebrum control the senses over spinal cord, connected with our spinal cord. Okay, if our spinal cord or our cerebrum is damaged, we cannot sit or stand properly or do work. Now let's move towards page number 8. And the page number 8 is, for example, if you accidentally, this is an example, if you accidentally touch something hot, the nerves in your skin send a message or to pain. Okay, just like I can tell you about the pan, that if we can touch a pan, hot pan, we quickly move back our hand, just because our nervous cells which are present in our hand tells the message to our brain that don't touch it. Just like that, if we can touch a hot iron, it gives The nervous cells present in our fingers or a hand gives a message to our brain that don't touch it, and our brain quickly responded. When the message reaches your brain works out. Yes, our brain works out. As this girl touched the hot iron, the nervous cells goes towards the brain and tells that don't touch this iron. It is so hot. So this girl quickly move back his head. Okay, this is over today's lecture. Now in our next lecture we can study about some activities and some other topics. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself.